ki mawsah nam haringkat ka thup kyrteng jong ki riewshlur ki balaya khun persya ya ka jingwan dakhol jaka ki phareng ka tau tirat sings im wo kyang nang ba lam upatugan neng menza sangma nang tau captain Kashing Clifford nongrum ubla IT la ka jing im ha ka thma Kargil persya ya ka Pakistan nalor ki weipat kila Ïeng ha ka jaka jngohkai perthai ka bla tip kum ka Umpohliew Eitksar ha ka dong nong thmai lum thang ding jong ka ilakan lajengkon bala sna penitenat ha ka dur ka jaka penlang da ka village employment council nong thmai lum thang ding lingba ka scheme MGNREGA yakini ki mawsah nam la ple perdado menteri ubri khmi ekatanat community and rural development ka sarkar jilla u Abu Tahir Mondal har ringkat ka jingadon lang u MLA ka sora uba Gavin M Lim uba DP wa lang u chief secretary uba FR Kharkongor commissioner and secretary katanat CNRD ka kong RM Korba ka deputy commissioner jong East Khasi Hills nalor ki weipat kani ka jingbo ya ki mawsah nam ka long shibenta jong ka program play ka meri mati mera desh campaign ka wei na ki program ban penkot ya ka jing rakhi buram ya ka jing dap nyop san snam ka jing yo lajlot kari India na khti ki dole lani ka azadi ka amrit mahotsav da ka bakkan mau buram ya ki riewshlur bat sipai kari India Hakating skila samru yaki khusnam shaki community and rural development block ki bala wan shakmat hakarukom tre kam hakajalla ka jingpan ko buram yaki bahayeng jong captain Kashing Clifford nongrum ubala yap hakajingya siat bat sipai Pakistan hakashitare unai tung khat khandai spa khandai u utpal rabha udkhot ka Cobra battalion ubala yap hakikuli ki letno Naxalites ha Uttar Pradesh hausnam arajar khatpra bat kumju SI Pradeep Kumar ubala yap hakajingya siat bat ki letno William Nagar hausnam arjar khatar
arsnem menshwa ha ukharar tarik jung march arajar apaway last dang kada ka program bakikot ka azadi ki amrit mahotsav bani rakhe ya kalungkho snem ka banyu pesan 75 years of India's independence berkata ka program kelas dang da ka jingya it started with a march nado Sabarmati kebrana pa Gujarat Sharosha Dandi ko mapitip Let's know, let's see ki history ka Dandi March jungu Mahatma Gandhi ka bade gawai na ki events ka ba one of the most important milestones in the events in the journey towards achieving India's freedom. But as ne menchwa kani ka program class dang our honorable chief minister had also in fact gone to Gujarat and participated in the Dandi March and he also completed I think about 10 to 12 kilometers walking on foot. CM Juiru Layan have the Dandi March, but Umda Teter, Iniki Arsnem Gilayan, but Menta Kalade Kapor, Banginia Manamno Haga Karater March Kolonga, or Bangi Play Perda, Menta Gadega, closing function. Nado Menta Kasni, Hado Laipo Tarik March, Baro ki VC ki AC. Nidon Shiajar Prasma Karartli ki AC hakani ka jala jungi haman kini ki AEC indon kini program ki bakerpang kumangilong mdakasni. Today we join hands with the rest of the country and the rest of the state in organizing these kind of programs which are twofold. Kidon arbunta kini ki ba don kama away kade tribute to the soil. Mengin snow don kata ka jing melung lane kata ka jing ai burom ya ka kendo jungi mengin di dong song snong jong ne ka ri jong ne jelang snow sorong bangi de ki dong song snong jong ne ka ri barka ar bare salutation to the hero, tribute to the soil and salutation to the hero. Kare namata ka daw bangi la yakot sung baha yakot don burom ya ki families jong kini ki brave hearts kini ki klawat jongga jela jungi ngiti baros bang utirot sing ukyang nongba baru padugan songma kumangilai asgo hagto ka jingruai remedaksi limba ka to ka skip bangi ngiyoi kindiat ya ka jingim jong Clifford nongrum ubala lenilede namda gari but ngakan mau how to snem 1999 my mind goes back to 1999 when Shillong and was in the grips of militancy that time and most of Shillong lived under the shadow of the gun but when late Clifford's body was brought back to Shillong, the whole city came out, defying caste, culture, community barriers. They all became one to witness this brave son. And those scenes and those episodes are still very fresh in my memory. But kumno baro ki Ïeng rasong ki sngo sarong namda uni ukhon namda uni uklawat wala len ya ka jingim namda kari.
Prap huwais nan mensyua. Hakni kejuk kesni kenai tarik kesedang ke quit India movement. But ke quit India movement kadai ke movement. Kaba kinong India hak tu kapor kiong ya ki pareng baki ban mi no na kene kari jongi. Kesedang mentak kesni kenai tarik u August. But na kata kadau ya kene ke function ru la rai da ke government of India begin pelong mentak kesni ngin sedang mentak kesni bat kanyat baru cipnai. Ke function iu kene ke function kadai bangi penkut ya ke jing rakhi nyau ko sans nem jong ke jing laj do jong kari jongi. Mencip snem akuar arajar arpuar nyidap nyau ko sans nem bat bar ro snem ila don kiri function beper la pelong ki kenja festival kiong kene kadai ke azadi ki amrit mahotsaf. Azadi kemut jing laj lui bat mahotsaf kemut kadai ke festival lani ke jing le kemen kene ke jing le kemen kalong baro snem nado ukharar tarik ubnai march arajar arpui kesedang kabau announce u prime minister jongi berkayat hadu menta bahkan kut menta ubnai balik ni perlong ya kene ke azadi ki amrit mahotsav namar ba ni kwa ban pedgen mau ya pi baro katno itu bala lestom la tristom ban yo ya ke jing lai doi ni ken mau ya kyrteng jongki bat ha kene ke sngi santri kam ngidi ban le santri kam ke benengkong kadai utai umau hantai ngin pli utai mau bat ngin yi how to mau ke jing tho ya kitu baro ki bala yarap ban yo ya ke jing lai doi jong kari jongi kindon ru kitu ki badai nang ne na po ka jela jongi ru lada kindai nak benta jing lai doi ndai la le ai nak benta kari kumangalai i mentan ak tu skip opni u Clifford nongrum kumno u yadai kari jongi hakargil hausnem chejar khandai spa khandai bat u ai la ka jong ka jingim tikawai kadai begin play utai mau hantai bat sa jingin mau ya kitu ki bala yap na unta kari kabar kadai begin chim smai santli ki smai in chim dak singi baro biron ning in chim dak khasihi ban perlong kari India kan long kara ri ka bakieu ka baroi but kabanum dakam ban depend hakiway house nem ar hajar sau punyo kemut sispa nem hadir ke jing lain do num don kanu ke jing don kam nakiway kiri bikin yarap ingin long self reliant self sufficient house nem ar hajar sau punyo ban penduk no ya kanu kam ke basyate amrau kata kadai ko jing smai ke ba jing smai ke belai kadai ban sau sarong ha ke ban kentiu bat penok pensa bat penroi ya laki jong kiriti laki jong ki dustur kejing smai ke besau bante song ya kejing long kawe kata kadai berengkam bah unity and integrity bat kejing smai ke basan ban pendat di kamram bat kejing ke kle bla pencet hangi kum kinong senong nak benta kari kejing kli kawan beli piwan senong jongi beli piwan pelong ini function hakni senong kebenengkong nga ai kublai ya kesnong ya kene kesnong nong thmai lom thangding namar kene kesnong kadai ke bela wat bha bangin yo bangin wan ne namar ba hi kinong song snong klap i kan nuksa ka babha ya trelang bat ka government haki department beper ban pendi ya kene ka infrastructure kan ne pe ki ding pe ki sie pe ki jingjengam pe ka so hun kemen sem banwan ban mi na pa office banwan ban shong man pelong meeting hang ni kadai ka jaka ke balang yet bha ilaya wat bha ba ila jet ba kane kadai ka jaka ka beri number 1 apa state barak away bangin wan pelong ya kane meeting ban sedang ya kane ke jing rakhe ban penkut ya kane ke celebration badap nyusan snem tingai ko blai ya ki nong chong snong ki blai trelang ki blai snok ti lang bat ka government ki department befer bala ban penmi kat ni kejing sna kat ni kejing itanan bat kan mau ba ya ki dien ki sit wadi ot wadi pom i bakan long kumne nang ba aksnem manwan ki breu na sabar ki nang wan page iksenong jong pi nang yo ka jing yo ka revenue ka yo ka kot ka bobiang na kani ka infrastructure labu hang ni bat kan yarap ru ya ka senong hi baro ka we
kalong ka burong ka pasika dai bangin yo ban pelong ya kani ka program ka kerpang mera mati mera desh ka state level launch naga benda kani ka program barga jo por habangi phai sha kani ka skit ka bangila yo I henne ka babatai shaphang ka jingim jong elite captain Clifford Nongrum hoy ngila yo sngow ya ka jingkren nagaliang jong I chief secretary balai la jit ya kani ka jaka kum ka jaka ban yo ban pelong ya kani ka program hoy sibentang ni so ya hap but sibentaru le sing ilaban ong baso de hok namar balai naga benta ka jingtip lang jongi baro lang I lead captain Clifford Nongrum ka tenrai ka jong I ka de nang ni na snong umthli ka batang lai kilometer le ni 100 kilometer naga ni ka snong but what ikme ikpa kidang don yala ka jong ka Ïeng ka sam hapo ka ni ka snong te sibenta bangi perkhat ka dero ka hok bangin yo ban penlong ya ka ni ka program ka bakerpang hagani ka no phaisni ka pamenta ta bangi phai sha ka ni ka program ka bangin yo ban penlong hagani ka no phaisni ka pamenta ni sauthu bagat kum ka jingkren nagalyang jokinong kren hene shakmat ni sauthu bakani ka program kalong shibenta jong ka jingrakhe ka jongi ya ka jingdap nyup sans dem jong gari ka bai ka jong ka azadi ka amrit mahotsav ka bala pli pelda documentary rangba do jong kari usal Narendra Modi ji haga kharal tarik jong banais march jong snam arjar athoi but menta ngila poi sa ka babenta ban pinkut no ya kani ka jingrakhi ka banagalyang ka jong ingin sa pinkut kum kari hakini kitayo kibanwan ni sauthu bakani ka program kamera mati mera desh kalong kum kadak bangin kin mau burom ya baro ki riewshlur kibla IT met badmin sim da shisha nagabenta kane ka ri gabai ka jongi banagalang ka jongi ngemla banya chakmat klem da pinpau ya ka burom ka bakerpang ya baro ki riewshlur kibla dan ya ka benta ka bakraw ban IT ala ka jong ka jingim ban persyang ban yada nagabenta kane kari kabai ka jongi.
To commemorate the 75th years of the independence, the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav program has been initiated by none other than our Honorable Prime Minister on to focus 5 main points: how we have fought our freedom struggle, then the ideas to take India beyond 75 years, and we got to resolve that how we take the country beyond 75 years to make it one of the economically vibrant country, and for that what actions are to be taken and the achievements are to be flagged off. On this basis, this program has been taken up with Dandi March in the month of March 2021. And to commemorate that program, to culminate on the 30th of August of this year, a new program has been initiated, Meri Mati Mera Desh. This program also have 5-point plans. And these 5-point plans are that to make India one of the most developed and self-reliant nation by 2047, of colonialism and the trace of colonial mindset than to celebrate our heritage and strengthen our unity in respect of those who protect the country and perform our duties as one of the responsible citizens of the country. And to have this program in the entire country, the villages have been selected. And today we have selected this village. From all over the VCs, this program will be continued, and ultimately this will be culminated on the 30th August of this year. Now, what are the 5-point programs? We have seen in our freedom struggle, our own freedom fighters, if we name Utirot Singh, Ukyang Nongba, Pat Togon Neng Minja Shangma, Kafan Nongleit, they have fought for this country. And today we have the freedom because of their sacrifices for the country. And after the freedom also, the country to be kept protected. And by whom? The people who is guarding the country in the most hostile frontiers. That's why the program came Shila Folokam. That is the memorial plaque. Today after the program is there, we will open the memorial plaque where the names of the people who have sacrificed for our nation, who have sacrificed their life for our freedom and keep continuing doing so, their names will be written in golden letters. We will be having also the Panch Pran Pledge. We will take oath on the 5-point programs, and then we will have Basuda Bandhan. Because freedom means our motherland, and motherland means our soil. How to protect the soil, and how this soil retain its freedom, not only for the foreign aggression, but from the various things that creates problem for our society's development. So all these programs will be done.
Nakaliang chairman ka nong thamai lum thang ding VEC ubabu tid khar ulapan pau baka dei ka buram ka bakraw baka sarkar ka jet ikani ka jaka jngohkai ban penlong ikani ka program ulaong baka jingwan tu ki nongwan jngohkai kila bun pha nrai yamanta hab ban sange namar ka dong kampat yo yo rangba snong bathamai
Nakaliang janga como chairman jog VEC nga ngau komen hadu kata baka sarkar India kala jet ini ke jaka ban pelong ya kani program na benta ke jing rkhe jog jing dap new santem jog ri India te kini ki mau nong rem ki bu ka perketik yang ki long din mandin ba kini ki lele ngam ta ka jilai lu jog ri India kila IT ala ke jong jim na benta ka ri ba jai ber ki len ne de hadu bandaya ru kip sngau salia te ngasngau ai khule kerpang khamtam ya ki bahin sem jog itu ki martir ki bala IT la ki kun ki ti ki bahin ban yadaya kari ni sngoboram kum ka Shillong Mail kum ka utmalum sanding ngarkat ilaka barakwe ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala jed ini ke jaka hamne po Umpohliew Eitksar nak bentak ni function ke ba internet ke ba donboro ji trelang jong ki nong Shillong Mail kilong mi kilong pa ki samla khamtam ki ni ki jobkat ki bala register LD jing tristom jong ki rangkat komiti ni la ban penitnat ni ke jaka kumal ai sanction ke sarkar kan ni la yo kambun ba ki bru yo kam
yok ko bai nong sngi ki imja na kan ye jaka te nolok kata ke ji tanap dengan jaka ki kring ye ki non jngohkai te hagisne mala dep ni la kalek sabun bang ne tang ha ka ayom tlang ni la kalek adun riulak tangka te kolong ke ke jing yo nong nam tak sno ye man ta hi la khang swar bangim don mas no gong rei nang ne syakmat ni persyang ban plibiang maki pai ba bun ki be phone ki kwa ban wan jngohkai ne jaka ban mar ke tanap sisa